And you're gonna conquer your fear, right?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna pass through that hole right there.
We're gonna conquer the car wash. Here we go.
Yeah. Here we go. This is gonna be so fun.
It's gonna be fun. And mommy's right here, so you can grab my hand and you can squeeze it as hard as you want.
If we can squeeze her hand and break her hand.
Ow. And then that really loud sound right now, this is the blow dryer. One big blow dryer.
But I just don't like the blow dryer because it's too loud.
Well, then cover your ears.
It's not that loud.
Okay, then it's not that loud.
Yeah, it's not that loud.
It's really not that bad. I've been through several of them. It's not that bad.
What one is gonna be the other one?
What do you mean?
The other one that we with the papas
Papa's?
and grandma.
Oh, you did. That's right. You did go through drive-through before, yeah?
Yeah.
With Mama and Papa, right?
Yeah.
And how was that? Did you survive?
Yeah, I went through.
Yeah, you did it. And you conquered it. And you did fine. And you lived. Right?
Yeah.
So you did fine.
A little.
So don't you think you might be okay in this one?
Not
Yeah,
one.
I think so. It's the exact same thing.
Is it that? I
It's the
know.
same thing.
I think it is the same thing,
It is the same thing. I know it is.
but the color is the
Maybe the other color is blue, but this is red. So what? Same thing. It means the same thing. It does the same thing.
why the heck me?
Just so you know, though, that really loud sound, all it's doing is drying it.
Uh-oh. It's our turn.
It's our turn. You got this, baby. And check out your new haircut. You get your new haircut, yeah? It's just, you don't need to cover your eyes yet. I'll let you know when the big brushes come out. I'll let you know when the brushes come out. It's not out yet. Oh, look at it though. Look, look. Look, 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 look. Look, it's just spraying the foam. Look, it's spraying the foam. It's just spraying foam. That's all it's doing right now. You're doing so awesome, Evan. It's just spraying foam. Oh, sorry, I didn't warn you. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, you're doing so good. You're doing so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so cool. You're doing so good. You did it. You did it. Yay.
I did it.
It's brushing our teeth.
See, I told you I was gonna conquer my teeth.
Yeah, you did it. And it's brushing the teeth.
Yeah?
Yep, it's just, look, oh, and it stopped. And then now it's spraying it again. You're good, baby. You did great.
I got rid of
The bird doo-doo.
I like it.
Okay, here it comes again.
Here it comes.
Oh, good job.
It feels like a close.
Yeah. You did good. Check it out on this side. Yeah, you did good.
Whoa.
Oh, that's loud, huh? Ooh, just like Claudette in the middle of the storm.
Oh, this is the storm?
Yep, just like the Claudette in the middle of the storm.
Oh.
Oh, here it
Look at the
comes.
storm. How is this storm gonna stop?
I don't know. I think we're done. Oh, now it's just rinsing it.
Again.
It's like you rinsing out your teeth. You know when you brush your teeth and you rinse out your mouth?
Yeah.
That's all it's doing. It's rinsing it out now.
So now we're gonna do the brush.
Yeah, the hard part's over. You did it. You conquered the hard part. Wow, yay. Now the brushes is all done. Now the dryer might come soon. After it rinses it, the dryer is going to come. Now it's just rinsing it right now.
Wow, it feels like we're going.
You're doing
out.
so good, Evan. Yeah?
Yeah.
Evan's doing amazing, yeah? Turn on, babe. Okay, here's the light. Whoa. Sounds like a big windstorm. Sounds like a windstorm.
Whoa, is it gonna come?
Oh, yep. Here it comes. It's a big blow dryer. You're doing amazing. He's doing really good. Here it comes. Look at the front. Look at the glass. Look at the glass. Look at the glass, Evan.
Yes, it's touching.
Yeah, but look at the glass. See how all the water droplets are moving? Look at all the water drops moving. It's brushing it. It's blowing it all off.
Oh, like the jet airplane.
Yeah, it's like a jet airplane. Baby, stop. Really? God.
Sorry.
Really? Yeah, I'm recording. All done. Pretty much.
Well done.
You did amazing.
Get it.
Now I can go to McDonald's.
I knew you were going to say that. It's going to come back one more time, I think.
It's like the wind is blowing the thing.
Now the car is nice and clean.
It's like the wind is the wind from the cloud is blowing that thing.
Mhm.
Cloud. Like that, the kite and that.
Yeah.
Like the wind is the wind from the clouds.
Say that again?
Like that is the kite and then the wind with the cloud.
Oh, like this is the kite. The brushes are like the kite, and then the wind is like the wind.
Yeah.
Cool. So all done the brushes. See, now we're all done. All done. You did amazing. Yay, Evan. Cheer 'em on, babe.
See, I told you I was gonna conquer my fear.
Yes, you did. You conquered your fear. Look, that took 8 minutes.
Yeah.
That took 8 minutes, and you did it so good. All done. Bye-bye, car wash.
Wow.
Bye-bye, car wash.
Did so good.
Yes, you did. You did fabulous.
Did we turn off it so we can see the video?
Sure. All done?
Yeah,
Say, I did it.
I did it. I conquered my fear and I did it. I went to the floor and I did it.
You went to the car wash, and you did it. Good
Wow.
job. Okay.
Well, I'm kind of shaking over.
It's okay.